Hi guys, welcome back. Welcome back with the second puzzle in this additional. Not in today's newspaper on Monday. Today's actually Monday, December the 11th. No, it's the additional of the weekend edition, Saturday, Sunday, December the 9th or 10th, 2023. I've already solved one puzzle. So two puzzles are left. The Sudoku with 2 stars and the Jigsaw Sudoku. Let me solve this one first. The 2 stars puzzle. 2 stars puzzle. Is this really a 2 stars? Wow. This one has 31 printed digits. 31. Cannot be a 2 stars. Anyway, this will be number 7603. 31 should be a 0 stars. Because if it's actually a 2 stars puzzle, then this should be 26 printed digits. So this one has 5 printed digits more. A 0 stars puzzle, I need to be faster than 14, maybe 13 minutes. If it's really a 2 stars, 15 to 20 minutes. That's my time limit. Alright, is this a 2 stars or a 0 stars? I do not know. We'll see. So let's get started. Let me see. We have a 1 in this column, 1 in the second column. So the first column, only place left for the 1 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square, 1 of the missing numbers an 8. We have an 8 in the last row, no 8 in these 2 boxes, so 1 box left for the 8 in this big square. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square, 4 numbers 1 and 2, 3, 4 is missing, 5, 6, 7 is missing. 4 and 7, 4 and 7. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 6 in this last column, 6 in the column next. So that column, the only place left for the 6 should be there. Then 1, 3, 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are 1 is missing, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 1, 3, 8, 1, 3, 8, 1, 3, 8, 1, 3, 8, and look with 1 and 3 in the first row. No 1 and 3 in this box. 1 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 8. 8 in this column, 8 in the column next on the last column, and only 2 places left for 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. Then. Let me see. 7. Come on. How about the 7 in this row? 7 in the third row, so the row between the second row. Only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in the first column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 6 in the third row. 6 in the first row, so the row between the second row. The only place left for the 6 should be there. 6 in the first column, 6 in the third column. So the column between the second column and only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be there. The 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row, so the row above the only place left for the 4 should be there. 8 in the third column, 8 in the second column. So the first column, the only place left for the 8 should be there. The 8 in the third row, the 8 in the first row. So the row between the second row, only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column. So the column next, only 3 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. Here and 8 in the middle row, no 8 there. Only place left for the 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can't see. Digit number 1, number 8. 1 box left in this first column for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and the 5, 3 and the 5. We have a 3 in the second column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, the 5 goes there. 1 box left in this second column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 2 and 5, 2 and 5. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, the 5 goes there. 6 in this column, 6 in that column, so the column 3 in the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there, 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 6. Alright. How about 4 in the first row, 4 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have 4 in the middle column, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 in the first, this column, 4 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the last row, so the row between. Only place left for the 4 should be there. Do we have all the 4s? And all the 4s are used. I can't see. Digit number 3, number 4. Okay. Well, we have here. 5 and 9. Yeah. 1 and 3. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 in these 2 boxes. So the 7 in this big square could be here, could be there. 7 in one of those 2 boxes in this row. 7 in the last row. So the row between only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 1 box left in this row for number, I believe the 9. Yeah, 9 in this row, 9 in the last row. So the row between only place left for the 9 should be there. Then 9 in this column, 9 in the column next. So the last column, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in the middle row, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in the third row, no 9 there, 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can see digit number 4, number 9. 1 box left in this first row for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. Then 5 in this row, 5 in that row, so the row between the middle row. Only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there, 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can't see. This is number 5, number 5. Okay, and now 2 in this column, 2 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 2 should be there. Then need a 2 here. Well, we have 2 in this row, 2 in that row, so the row between the middle row. Only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in the last column, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2 in the last column, 2 in the column next from that column. The only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this row, last row, no 2 there, 2 should be there. And all the 2s are used. I can see digit number 6, number 2. Wow. Well. Then. Let me see. Need a 7 here. Well, need a 7 here. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this column. So no 7 there. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. So the only place level 7 in this big square should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row. So the row above the only two place level 7 should be here or there. We have 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. I marked those two boxes earlier with a 7. We have a 7 in this column, so no 7 there. 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can't see. Digit number 7 is number 7. So we have 7 numbers, so 2 numbers are left, the 1 and the 3. 1 and the 3, 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 and 1 and the 3, 1 and the 3. Yeah. Let me mark those. Oh. Yeah. Okay. So, where should we have a 3 in this row. This can't be a 3 anymore. That box should be a 3 and this box should be a 1. 1 and a 3, we have a 3 now in this row. No 3 there. 3 should be here and a 1 goes there. 1 and a 3, we have a 3 in the last column. No 3 there. 3 should be here and a 1 goes there. 1 and a 3, we have a 1 in this column. No 1 there. 1 should be here and a 3 goes there. 1 and a 3, we have a 1 in this row. No 1 there. 1 should be here and a 3 goes there. 1 and a 3, we have a 1 in this column. So no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 3 goes there. Finish in 11 minutes. Well, we solved it again. We solved it again. Faster than 14 or 30 minutes. Definitely a 0 stars. Well, maybe George can solve this within 6 minutes. George, this one you can try. And, well, I'm pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle for today, the Jigsaw Sudoku with 1 star. Until then, bye-bye for now.